Looking for the best protein powder? In this video, we'll break down the top protein powders available, whilst comparing them for price versus performance. Before we get started with our video detailing the best protein powders on the market, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting off at number 1, we have the Optimum Nutrition Gold 100% Whey Protein. The purpose of this supplement is to provide you with a hefty dose of the amino acids you need to build muscle. You'll find that it's one of the best, most balanced protein powders around, and it is beautifully effective at suppressing your hunger. It's not only one of the best workout supplements for men who want to promote muscle repair and recovery, but it's also a great meal replacement. It contains enough protein and carbs to serve as a meal or snack all on its own. As an added bonus, the fact that it's a whey protein means it's quick acting and will be easy on your digestive system. Unless you're lactose intolerant, there's very little risk of digestive problems caused by this supplement. This 100% gold standard whey protein is one of the best bodybuilding supplements around, thanks to the fact that it contains 24 grams of protein and 5 grams of branched-chain amino acids per serving. There's just 1 gram of fat and 3 grams of carbs in each scoop, all for just 120 calories. Mix it with a glass of milk, and you have a nearly complete meal that will promote effective muscle building. The double rich chocolate flavor alone makes an awesome choice. It may be a bit sweeter, but it has a nice taste that is ideal for those who don't want a supplement that tastes too much like whey. Talk about delicious protein shakes and smoothies. At $30 for 2 pounds of the supplement, this is one of the best priced protein powders on the market. You get a roughly 30 to 40 day supply of protein powder, and it's high quality protein that will yield real, visible results in your weight loss and muscle building. The best whey protein powder for sure. At number 2, we have the Garden of Life Meal Replacement. This protein powder is perfect for satisfying hunger, managing weight, and maintaining proper health. This power-packed powder helps to boost energy levels and build lean muscle. Garden of Life is committed to providing 100% clean food. This powder contains 20 grams of protein, 44 superfoods, 6 grams of fiber, 13 raw sprouted ingredients, 21 vitamins and minerals, and less than 1 gram of sugar. This organic, raw plant-based protein powder is jam-packed with goodness. It is organic, gluten-free, Star K kosher, vegan, dairy-free, soy-free, informed choice certified, and a non-GMO whole food protein. This powder is completely 100% plant-based and is the perfect formula for vegans or people looking to eat more plant-based. This protein powder mixes perfectly with water or unsweetened almond milk. This protein powder costs about $1.14 per ounce. It's a little pricier than some of our other protein powders, but we truly feel it's worth the extra dollars. At number 3, we have the Robb Egg White Protein Powder. Egg protein is the best option for those who can't handle the lactose in whey protein. It's still an animal product-based protein, so it provides all 9 essential amino acids at once, but the fact that it's from egg whites means that it's lower in fat and calories than whey protein powder. With this protein powder, you get a whopping 24 grams of protein per serving, along with 4 grams of carbs. It's made with non-GMO ingredients, and is 100% free of sugar, fillers, artificial ingredients, dairy, lactose, hormones, and chemicals. It's as natural as it gets for egg protein. This protein is easily digested, so it's ideal for both pre- and post-workout protein shakes. It can deliver the energy you need to get through your workout or provide the amino acids needed for recovery. Some users dislike the artificial sweetness of the protein, but that comes from xylitol and sativa rather than chemical sweeteners. The protein is filling, tasty, and mixes easily with any liquid, even water. At $43 for just 21 servings, this is one of the priciest protein powders on our list. However, its delicious flavor and excellent nutritional profile makes it a good option if you don't mind spending a bit more. At number 4, we have the Sunwarrior Warrior Blend. This raw, unprocessed protein is made with all natural plant-based ingredients, making it an ideal option for those on a raw diet, vegetarian/vegan diet, or anyone who wants to eat clean. All of the ingredients are USDA certified organic, 100% non-GMO, and the protein powder is free of soy, gluten, and dairy. It's the perfect protein powder for individuals with food sensitivities or on restrictive diets. Not only does this plant-based protein contain 19 grams of protein per scoop, but you get 5 grams of BCAAs, 60% of your vitamin C DV, and plenty of multi-chain triglycerides for faster fat burning. With just 100 calories per serving, it's as good as it gets. Mix this protein in a blender or blender bottle, and you'll find it's smooth and easy to drink. The natural flavor may bring out the sativa aftertaste, but you can't help but love the rich raw coca flavor of the chocolate-flavored protein powder. It's easy on your digestion, rich in nutrients, and great for a quick protein pick-me-up before or after your workout. This is one of the biggest downsides of the product. The price tag is $45, but you get just over 2 pounds. Still, if you can afford the higher cost, it definitely delivers excellent value in terms of nutrition and quality. And for our final pick at number 5, we have the Foods Soy Protein. For those who want plant-based alternatives to whey and casein protein, soy is a decent option to consider. While there are concerns over GMO products and phytoestrogens, soy protein is one of the best plant-based proteins. It has a better nutritional profile than pea or hemp protein, and it's more easily digestible. You get 24 grams of soy protein per serving, but it's a fairly low-calorie option, ideal for those trying to watch their calorie intake. One of the great things about this protein is the fact that it's unflavored. You can mix it with any liquids and ingredients, and it won't add overstrong flavor to your smoothies. But if you add it into a cup of milk or water, it won't taste iffy. Though be warned, it only mixes well in a blender. If you try to mix it with a spoon or even a blender bottle, it may come out a bit grainy. At $22 for 2 pounds, this is one of the best cheap protein powder options around. The fact that it's soy may be a turnoff for some, but it's a good option for anyone who wants to avoid animal products. It's fully vegan and vegetarian. So that sums up our top protein powders of 2019. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.